Hey guys, this is not ideal, having this screen and that kind of thing, but I need to do this before I go into lockdown because I can't do this at home. So, this is a lesson on rotations, and so for you to be able to complete this at home, you're going to need some tracing paper. If you don't have tracing paper, ask Mum for some of her baking paper. I'm sure that will do the trick as well. And you'll also need this coordinate axis. I think I've sent this to you in ThinkWave. Yeah, it's in ThinkWave under, I think the title for the message was 2 more files you need. So you can download that from there. So essentially, when you're given a rotation, you're going to be given 3 things. First of all, you'll be given the number of degrees of rotation. For our level, it's going to be 90 or 180. The second thing you're going to be given is the direction of rotation. So it might be anti-clockwise, so going that way, or clockwise, going this way. And the third thing you'll be given is the center of the rotation. So often that's going to be the origin, which is 0, 0. Sometimes it will be something else. The only snag with this is if you're doing a rotation of 180 degrees, just be aware that this does not require you to give a direction, because obviously 180 degrees, it doesn't matter if you go anti-clockwise or clockwise, it'll still end up in the same place. So I've just prepared one example because this is a little bit tricky. I've got a flag, it's moved a little bit actually, so my flag is at 3,2, 3,6, so you can see the little points there. Maybe I'll just fix this up a bit actually before I do it. So here we go, something like that. Okay. Here's my flag. I'm going to do 2 rotations. First of all, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise, about 2,3. My first step would be to get my tracing paper. I've already pre-prepared this. But what I would do if I were you, I would first of all draw over the top of my shape, and then I would also put a little dot and an arrow on the point of rotation. In my case it's 2,3, so I've got this arrow sitting at 2,3. Now the point of this arrow is that we can see how far we have travelled in our rotation. So the first one is 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so we're going to rotate going this way. So let's just try that. This is a little bit awkward. Okay, let's try that now. So the arrow is going to end up pointing to the left there, so we can see that it's going to be here. Oh look, I've used vivid. Don't tell anyone. So that is a 90 degree rotation about 0.3,2, right? So like that. The second thing is, now we're going to do a 180 degree rotation about 2,3. So 180, this arrow here is now going to be pointing down. So rotate around there, make sure that things don't move, and if we do that, it looks like it should be roughly here and here. Okay, I think I've done it right. Now I'm going to have to get some maths and get that off the board. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you don't have any trouble with this. If you do, you can email me. It's going to be a little bit more tricky for me to show you how to do these ones by email, but I'll do my best. Good luck.